Oh, it's cold on the butt. Ah, I just stopped like.
You gotta keep your feet up.
Yeah, I'll try it again. It's a short one. Ugh. I'm made of a high friction material. I don't know.
You're not quite designed for it, yeah?
It's not as slick as you would think.
She slid down.
I saw. I'm like, I'm not doing that. Did you lie down? No?
I leaned back a little bit.
One more time. It might be. Maybe I'm too heavy.
I don't know. I don't even try it. I don't like the way it feels in my butt.
It does feel like it could tear your pants eventually. Well, I could at least try the pull out. One more time, one more try. One more time. I got in the pool! Worst slide ever. What about this steeper one? I might have a little bit more luck with it.
Yeah, maybe, and this one's big steeper too.
You're making a hard landing.
I know.
That one? No?
No, I was saying this kid's doing that one. That one's fine because it's like a deep pool that we live in.
Andre, I'd rather see you do it first.
I don't know if I want to go that far out there. That's my hesitation.
I got you. So with this one, where do I sit? There?
Yeah.
And you're sure about this one?
No. I'm not sure about any of them. We went like years ago.
I don't know. If it's not safe, I don't want to die.
Maybe we can get that kid to do it.
Aaron! The other kid, the daredevil kid. I don't know, I could check it out down there first and then...
That's what I had Aaron go on the bottom to see if there's any rocks I could be aware of when I kick.
Yeah.
And then after he was like all clear, then I went.
I mean, I could check down there.
I want to check it out.
All right.
Oh, look at this one. Let's check it out. It's pretty deep, right?
Yeah, I don't think there's any obstructions, but there's also like a heck of a current in there.
A what?
Spin.
There's like more as we go down. We can always check that. We just found one that I want to do.
Well, make sure I come back up. I'm gonna try it.
Okay, I'm sure you'll be fine.
I think, it almost pulled my freaking pants off. Whew. Ah, that was fun.